The journey to creating this culinary marvel begins with the brine. You'll need an amalgamation of 4 quarts of water, 1 cup of kosher salt, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of pickling spices, usually includes mustard seeds, black peppercorns, coriander seeds, allspice berries, and bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of pink curing salt to form the base. Add to this a cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, and 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Simmer this until the sugar and salt dissolve into it. Once done, let it relax and cool down. After that, stow it away in the refrigerator until it's chilled. Next, it's time to introduce a 5-pound brisket. Place this hefty piece of meat in a large container and pour the chilled brine over it. The brisket should be completely submerged, so feel free to place a weight on top. Now, this 5-pound brisket takes a cold vacation in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 days. After the brisket has fully absorbed the brine's robust flavors, rinse it under a cold stream of water to remove any residual salt. Transfer it into a sizable pot, douse it with water, and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of additional pickling spices. Bring it to a boil and then let it simmer until the meat reaches a tender texture, a process that should last approximately 3 to 4 hours. After allowing it to rest for a while, carve the corned beef against the grain to serve. It can be a part of sandwiches or the centerpiece of a traditional corned beef and cabbage feast. The homemade variant brings a whole new taste to the table. Interestingly, this corned beef can be refrigerated for a number of days, and it's believed that the taste only gets better upon reheating. And that wraps it up. If you found this recipe helpful, express your appreciation by liking this video and subscribing to Magnolia Moon for more inspiring culinary adventures.